Loneminyaka lemithathu, Tsepo loneminyaka lesihlanu, Joyce loneminyaka lesikhombisa naKatlego loneminyaka leyimfica bonke babulawa ngesihluku. Phasha wasebenzisa indvu lekhaliphile kubulala labantu. Phasha waphuma ejele ngeparole ngemacala ekubulala nekutama kubulala nga-2002. Inkantolo ikholela ukuthi Phasha akakashintshi futhi uyingoti emangweni. Iphindze igcizelele ukuthi Phasha akatisoli. Phasha longummeli ngekweticu utawucala tigwebo takhe ngekushesha. Umkakhe langasathelelani naye manje uthi kuyadzabukisa kubona Phasha enda ngathi umsulwa.
Bambona molato gore a sanka a dumela gore o bolaile bana yona empa bishop le gore a sanka a dumela mare wa tseba yena gore o ba bolaile le bona ba mmone gore a ba shela ba re life sentence gore o bolaile bana wena wa gana gore wa dumela mare ba mona ba mmone gore o ba bolaile.
I-NPA samukelo lesigwebo.
As NPA, we welcome the conviction and sentence as the prosecution managed to prove beyond reasonable doubt about this case. We know that Phasha has killed his 4 minor children from under the age of 2 to 9. So this is a horrific crime. We welcome the sentence.
Litiko letenhlalakahle nalo lingenelele kulolu dzaba.
We feel much relieved, honestly speaking, especially because this comes at a time when we're commemorating International Child Protection Week, which is sending a message to the public out there that we do have a responsibility, all of us, to protect the children.
Kusengakacaci ukuthi Phasha ingabe utasifaka yini sicelo sekubuyekezwa kwalesigwebo.